Problem 7. An oblique cone, having diameter 60 mm side and height 80 mm long axis, has the axis inclined at 45° to the base and is resting on its base on HP such that its axis is parallel to the VP. Draw the development of its lateral surfaces.
First, draw a circle which diameter is 60 mm. Then this circle divide in 12 parts. Name A to L. Then draw a baseline above this circle and this line inclined at 45°, and circle point A to draw projection up to this baseline. Same draw all projection and point name A dash to L dash, and then this point draw height 80 mm long. Then we draw height above 80 mm and height is 80 mm is inclined to the line, not perpendicular. It makes measure 45° angle, and then join all points from this vertex. Vertex of this name is O dash. In point O dash, draw a projection line and then join this point. And this portion make hidden line. Compass set in point O, measure OF distance in compass and make up to this line. Same measure OE distance and make arc up to this line. Same measure OD, make arc. Same draw all. And this point make a vertical line. and this line joined in O dash point. This is a all true length. You see this video. Then measure OA true length, make arc and joint OA distance. Then measure OB distance in compass. Compass set point A, make arc. This arc draw up to L and last point is A. You see. And joint OA, OL, OK, all point joint. Measure true length of OB and OL, compass set in point and OL distance. Then measure true length of OC and OK, compass set in point O, make arc in OC and OK. Same this all true length measure and cut in this line on given which lines. Then join this point and we see curved line, and this portion is a develop of oblique cone.